You are manager responsible for audit of Poodle Group. Page 81, question 63. Got it? You are completing the audit of consolidated financial statement for 31st March 2023. The consolidated financial statement revenue recognizes 18 million, 17 million. Profit before tax is 2 million. Total assets 58 million. Your firm audits all components of group apart from overseas subsidiaries, Toy Limited, which is audited by a small local firm of accountants and auditors. Your audit senior has left a file note in your attention. You are aware that the group's annual report and the financial statements are due to be released next week. The examiner always puts this down, and you can always put that there as whether you need to negotiate. Write it down immediately, whether you need to negotiate for a time delay or not. Got it? There's a possible mark there. It's due in next week. Can you resolve the matter as within this 1 week? Got it? Okay. The group is very reluctant to make any adjustments in respect of the matters described. Okay. The component auditor of Toy Limited, overseas subsidiary, have been instructed to provide the group audit team with details of a court case which is ongoing. An ex-employee is suing Toy for unfair dismissal and has claimed 500,000 damages against the company. To comply with local legislation, Toy Limited's individual financial statements are prepared using local financial reporting framework. Under the local financial reporting framework, a provision is only recognized if cash outflow is virtually certain to arise. Component auditors have verbally confirmed from Toy legal advisors that damages are probable but not virtually certain to be paid, and no provision has been recognized in either individual or consolidated financial statement. No other audit evidence have been obtained by the component auditor. Now, in this case, you need to prove that this is a provision and they should make an adjustment in the consolidated financial statement, not in the individual companies. Yes or not? Because this is the consolidation adjustment. Clear? 500,000, is it material? Yes, no. Yes, it's material because it's 500,000, PBT is only 2 million, yes or not? So that's about how many percent? 500,000 plus 2 million, over 2 million, you get about how many percent? I think about 20%, no, about 40%. Is it 40? Yeah, you get about 40% there, okay? Now, the next thing. Trade receivable on 1 June 2003, 1 June, be careful with the dates, the exact one. When is the year end here? 31st March 2003, this is in 1 June 2003, got it? So this definitely is event after, make a note, EARP, this is clearly a EARP, IAS 10, are we clear or not? So this is the IAS 10 matter, got it? Okay. Following insolvency, okay, administration and winding up of Terrier Limited following its insolvency. Now, the notice stated that the company should be in a position to pay approximately 10% of the amount owing to its trade payables. Poodle Parents Company Group includes a balance of 1.6 million owed by Terrier in its trade receivables. So, basically, if I ask you, can you give me the debit and credit for both of these transactions? Give me a debit credit here, give me a debit credit here, quickly. Kacang putih, debit, credit. Debit and credit what? Quickly. Done? Are you done? Finish with your debit and credit? I hope you know your journals because you're expected to do journals in this paper. Are you clear now? The examiner asks you for adjustments means you prepare a journal. Got it? Remember, if the examiner asks for adjustment means you prepare a journal. Got it? So, any adjustment, impact on the audit report, and assess implication above completion and describe impact on the report. Any adjustment considered is not made. Okay. So, implication of the above. Okay, now the last one, you already got this right? Debit, P&L, how much? 1.44, and the other side will be credit your total assets 1.44. Credit your receivables, okay? Here is going to be debit your P&L 500,000, credit your provision 500,000. Got it? Clear, not clear? Okay. Last one, draft chairman statement to be included. Was received yesterday. Chairman report says the performance is stating that police revenue has increased 20%. Chairman must be Donald Trump, isn't it? Yes, no? Because only Donald Trump will make up things like this. How much is the actual revenue increase? Calculate and see. Recognized revenue. Is this 20% for you? Yes, no. How many percent is that? 1 over 17 is how many percent?
6%.
6%. Now you know why I say it's Donald Trump, right? Are you clear? Not clear? Donald Trump is what makes claims like this one. 6% will suddenly become 20% for you. Okay, right now. Are we okay in what's going on right now? Let's quickly move to a answer mode and show you how to answer this one. So this one, we're looking at the question is called Poodle. Okay, let's do Poodle. And in terms of Poodle, 3 parts. Okay, let's do the first one. Part A. We're looking at the toy, isn't it? Okay, what about toy? In terms of toy, we're looking at toy receivable, correct? Not receivable, sorry. Toy was receivable.
Provision.
Toy is provision. Provision. This is material at how many percent? 25% of PBT. Okay. Treatment at toy is correct, but in groups it should be following IFRS and a provision should be recognized because it is probable that payment will be made. Does it make sense? Verbal evidence from the lawyer is not enough, huh? Not appropriate. Got it? Next one. Adjustment required. What's the adjustment required? No, no. Does that make sense? Clear? Not clear. How many marks is that? 6 marks, right? No marks, right? Never mind, don't worry about it. Part B. What about part B? We got trade receivables, right? So is the trade receivable material? Not involved. It's material at how many percent? I think about 80%, right? Of PBT, and how many percent of total assets? Are you okay this part? Clear? Not clear? Clear now? Is there an impact of the audit report? Obviously, if they don't adjust it, adjusted audit report should be Are we clear in this part? Got it? Can? That's about it. So you may need to negotiate extension on time to resolve all issues. Does that make sense? And you also need to speak at the AGM, obviously, yes or not? You got some issues here to speak at the AGM, got it? Done. Clear? Any questions there? Right, I will stop there for today. Clear? You have done audit reports quite a bit, eh? That was the last one, Poodle. Can you remember Poodle? It's a dog. We started with what? A jet. Yes, no?